Spring is coming. If you're planning on starting a garden, you'll want to check the last frost dates in your area, what seeds you can start early inside, and which you can sow directly into the garden. If you're looking for information on what to plant or how to get started, the Greensboro Public Library has great gardening resources in our nonfiction section, as well as a plenitude of gardening and outdoor-oriented programming this spring. Here are just a few of our offerings. You can register to pick up seeds and seedlings for your garden with the Growing Glenwood Garden Giveaway by emailing luce.hartsock@greensboro-nc.gov. Or you can check out our container gardening series, starting in March, so be a monthly series posted on the Greensboro Public Library Facebook with information on how to start your garden. And in the month of April, you can check out the Earth Challenge. Complete conservation and nature challenges to be entered into a drawing for Earth-friendly goodies. Email melanie.buckingham@greensboro-nc.gov for your challenge card. Remember to follow us at GSO Library on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram for more quality programming.